Welcome, my friend. I am Leopold, a healer from the other side, and it's my privilege to bring this healing experience to you. Your eyes, your friends in vision, attacked almost constantly from the pollutants in the air you journey through, tiring and weakening from the stresses they're put under, while looking at screens of all descriptions, not to mention the gradual degenerative effects of aging and possible disease. Intricate anatomical structures allowing the perception of light, color, depth, and movement, each meticulously designed to play a critical role in the visual pathway. Let me bring beautiful healing energy from the other side to repair, strengthen, and nourish your eyes. It is no coincidence that brought you to this healing experience. You've been led here because you need it. To apply this healing experience for your eyes to best effect, it's good to have a basic understanding of the structure of the eye itself, to enable you to journey around and through the eye, leading the healing energy to where your eyes need it most. Energy follows the awareness, or as is often said in Chinese medicine, the qi, or energy, follows the yi, or intention. The images on your screen now show the eye and its structures, both outside and inside. To familiarize you with the basic anatomy of the eyeball, pause the video and familiarize yourself with the eye's anatomy if you wish before proceeding. When you're ready, I'll lead you through this energy healing experience for your eyes. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. It's best to wear clothing that's comfortable. When your healing experience begins, you can either keep your eyes open or have your eyes closed. There will be images of the various structures of your eyes as healing progresses. However, you don't need to look at any screen during your healing experience. The beautiful healing energy will align with you wherever you are. Pause your video and settle yourself by taking a few deep inhalations and exhalations. When you're ready, restart your video. Your beautiful healing session begins in 10 seconds. Rest your eyes now, dear friend, letting your focus soften or close your eyes. Let the world around you begin to ebb away. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. In and out. Each breath in deepens your relaxation. Each exhale releases tension, melting away like morning mist under the warmth of the sun. Envision now a radiant golden sphere of light, the color of rich manuka honey, thick and luminous, forming just above the crown of your head. This is a ball of healing energy, pure and divine, shimmering with the power to heal, restore, renew, and revitalize. With your next inhale of breath, draw this golden light down through your body, filling every cell with its warmth. Feel it pooling around you, forming a protective auric field, a shimmering cocoon of safety and peace. I am projecting beautiful, pulsating waves of healing energy towards you, adding strength and potency to the light that now surrounds and permeates every part of you. For today, we journey into the sacred temple of your eyes, blessing each part with this golden light, dissolving all that no longer serves you and awakening perfect, vibrant health. Bring your awareness to your eyelids, the guardians of your vision. Thin, delicate veils of skin and muscle, ever vigilant in their protection. Feel their softness, their gentleness. Breathe golden light into them. See this luminous honey gold energy seep and infuse into every layer and every cell of your eyelids. Feel a tingling warmth as the light dissolves fatigue, heaviness, and any lingering strain. With each exhale, release old tensions, sending them beyond your auric field where they dissolve into nothingness, and continue to notice the warm, tingling sensations vibrate through every cell of your eyelids, regenerating and nurturing. Whisper gratitude to these faithful guardians for shielding you from harm, for keeping your eyes moist and refreshed. See them now, glowing with vitality, light as silk, strong as a whispered prayer. Pause and breathe, allowing all sensation to deepen. Shift your focus now to your eyelashes, delicate sentinels, those graceful curves like the finest brushstrokes of a master artist. Feel their delicate presence, their sensitivity to the faintest touch. Bathe them in golden light. Sense the vibration as each lash hums with renewed strength and glows like a thin fiber of light at the end of your eyelids. Visualize this light flowing into the tiny meibomian glands beneath, melting away any blockages, releasing a silky oil that glistens like liquid amber, soothing and healing. Breathe out stagnation. Breathe in perfection. Your lashes now stand proud, shimmering with health, catching the light like strands of spun gold. Pause a moment and savor the sensation. Journey inward now, past the lashes and under the eyelids to the conjunctiva, the shield of clarity, the thin, luminous veil that wraps your eye in subtle grace. Feel its delicate moisture, like morning dew on petals. Let this membrane be flooded with golden light. Let it pulse as potent healing energy flows from me to you, cleansing away dryness and irritation, any whispers of inflammation abating and easing. See it now, pristine, translucent, a beautiful, flawless barrier of protection. Feel the subtle vibrations across the surface of your eyes as the conjunctiva heals, cell by cell, perfectly clear, the true windows to the soul. Now go a little deeper still, beneath the conjunctiva. Feel the sclera, the smooth, steadfast white fortress of your eye, a ball that is shining and solid, yet supple and pliable, protecting the delicate structures inside. Inhale golden light into its fibers, mending and strengthening. Sense its unyielding support, the anchor for your vision. Notice how it tingles, each tiny vibration healing completely. Exhale any weakness and inhale resilience. Your sclera glows, a pearl of divine strength. Take a moment and feel this stability. Now we call upon the 6 beautiful, sacred muscles that guide your gaze, the silent, powerful dancers of your eyes. Your extraocular muscles, dancers for light, tireless in their effort, bringing dynamic movement to your eyes. Feel their precision, their tireless choreography. Let them absorb the energy being projected into them, healing each and every fiber. Golden light pours into each one. The superior muscle at the top of your eyeball, feel it vibrate and relax as energy saturates it. The inferior muscle at the bottom, easing with every outbreath. The medial and lateral muscles, each side, letting go of tension with every golden, energetic pulse. The obliques, hugging the underside of your eyeball. Let them become a comfortable cradle for your eyes to rest. Feel the fibers of all these muscles humming as the light untangles any stiffness and any imbalance. See them moving with effortless grace, like ribbons of light in the wind. The health of your eyes increasing with every second that passes and every breath you take. Breathe into their harmony and exhale any strain. They are beautiful, perfect instruments of motion, fluid and free. Take a moment to sense their newfound ease. Bring your attention now to the cornea of your eyes, the crystal dome at the forefront of your vision. Gates of radiance, feel the flawless curvature, the sleek transparency like polished quartz. Flooded with waves of golden light, feel as any haze dissolves, any scar softens into nothingness. Now a lens of pure clarity, bending light with divine precision. Like a seamless window of pure, clear energy, invisible but tangible. Behind it, your iris blooms, a starburst of color, unique as your very soul. Feel the delicate and subtle muscles that cause expansion and contraction, like the petals of a perfect mystical flower. Bathe it in healing light, any rigidity melting away, leaving only smooth, responsive beauty. Breathe in gratitude for this living artwork that is your iris, a masterpiece of light and shadow. Pause and admire its vibrancy. At the center of your iris is your pupil, a portal to the infinite. As an alchemy of focus, feel the depth of its darkness, not as absence, but as wonderful potential. As you let golden light enter, it swirls within it, a vortex of renewal and healing. With each breath, it adjusts, swift, intuitive, a perfect aperture of light. Now, travel deeper to the crystalline lens. Sense its biconvex form, its smooth, elastic wisdom. Energy now bathing it in light, restoring its youthful, sublime flexibility. Any cloudiness evaporating like mist in the sun. With every new breath, it now bends light with effortless grace, near or far, sharp and glorious as a diamond's edge. Take a moment to feel appreciation and revel in its clarity. Finally, arriving at your retina, the sacred canvas, where light becomes beautiful magic. Sense its layers, alive with photoreceptors, each one a tiny star waiting to ignite. As golden light now cascades over it, repairing, vibrating, and rejuvenating. Allow any dim spots to brighten, any frayed connections now mended. The rods and cones vibrate, charged with vitality, ready to paint the world in exhilarating brilliance. With each exhale, release any distortion and inhale perfection. Your retina now glowing like a galaxy, translating light into wonder. Pause a moment, soaking in the radiance. Now step back and behold your eyes, and the blessing of sight, whole, radiant, pulsing with golden translucent light. Every part in harmony, every function flows with divine ease. Whisper thanks to these precious and beautiful gifts, for the sunsets and the starlight, for the faces of loved ones and the wonders yet unseen. Give of love for your sacred windows to the cosmos, offering a silent prayer from your heart. When you are ready, gently return your awareness to your room, carrying light with you. Your vision is clear, your eyes healed. So it is.